Girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had it. Fuck that nigga. Oh, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lena May, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be making a wreath. This is a highly requested video. I know a lot of people have been asking me to do a video on how to make a wreath, so that is what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's jump right in. The items that you're gonna be needing, of course, a wreath. I got this wreath from Hobby Lobby. It was about $11.99, but it was 50% off, so it made it like $6. So a wreath. I also got this little thing. I don't know what it is, but I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. So I'm gonna try to incorporate this into this wreath. You're also going to be needing some flowers, of course. So just get whatever kind of flowers of your choice. Got these flowers from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be using a few red and green ornaments. Got these from the Dollar Tree as well. As usual, the wire cutters, and I guess these is like flathead pliers. I don't know. I usually use these to grab the wire if I'm trying to feed some wire through. So grab it from the other side. I usually use these. I also got some of these like Christmas tree branches, but they have like the snow on it. So I'm going to be using these. I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. Some pine cones. I got these pine cones from Hobby Lobby, I think. They were like $3.99. And then I also have these other pine cones that have like the snow on them. So I'm going to be using these as well. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And then some snow spray. And I think I'm gonna be using these two items as well. Not 100% sure, but I think I'm gonna incorporate these as well. Okay, so those are all the items that I believe I'm gonna be using. If I use anything different, you'll obviously see it in the video. So let's jump right in. All right, so first things first, I'm taking some snow spray and I'm spraying it on the wreath and blow drying it. This was a fail, so you can skip this step. You can use some spray paint, it'll probably work better, but that did not work out. Now I'm just separating the wreath into like two sections so you can see right here what I'm doing. And I'm attempting to put this wire wreath in between, however, it did not work out. So that didn't quite work out. It was a fail. So instead of using this, I'm gonna just use this. Same thing, easier process. So yeah, I'll be using this. So let's jump back in. Okay, so instead I used this tinsel because that did not work out. And I cut it, it was about 9 feet, but I cut it shorter because when I first tried to use it, it just kept getting tangled up. So it's easier to work with if you work in smaller sections. So I'm just taking that all around the middle section until that whole section is complete. And then I'm gonna repeat those same steps on the top section. So I'm just taking a little glue stick there. I'm sorry, not glue stick, glue gun to secure it. And then again, I am repeating those steps on the top section. Now I'm just gonna fluff it back out to cover up that gap in between. And then I'm getting ready to attach my sign. Isn't that a cute sign, y'all? I thought it was so cute. So how I'm attaching that sign is I'm just taking 2 of the branches from the wreath and I am twisting those together to secure on. And then that bottom section, what I'm gonna actually do is take a staple gun and some pipe cleaner to secure it. So this also is good if, you know, you have a customer that wants to, you know, maybe change out the sign. They can just take the pipe cleaner off, pull the sign off, and then add a new one. So I just put the pipe cleaner on the back. I put a little glue gun on there so it doesn't slip out from underneath the staple, and I'm just securing it to the back of the wreath. All right, here I'm just cutting off, you know, all the materials from the stems so that I don't have to keep stopping later on. All I'm doing here is I'm adding those snow branches that I showed you earlier on when I was showing you the materials, and I'm just adding those in. It gave the wreath so much texture. So that's what I'm doing there. And now I'm just placing in all of the berries, the ornaments. You'll see me adding the ornaments, the berries, the flowers. I'm just placing those in. I'm not securing them down with hot glue yet because I want to make sure that it's all in the right place before I glue it down. I did that one time before and it was not right and it was a big mess. So just go ahead and play with it. Put everything where you think it will look nice, and then if you need to alter something, move something around, you can do so because it's not secured with the glue gun. I must admit, this is looking so pretty. All right, so with the ornaments, what I'm actually gonna do is take some pipe cleaner as well to attach those to the wreath. So you'll see me do that here in a second. I'm also gonna take some glue gun or some glue and like put the glue around where the ornament, you'll see me do it. I can't explain it because I don't want that piece to fall off. So I'm just securing that with the glue. And then I put the pipe cleaner on, attach it through the branches and pull it through the back, and that way it's extra secure. All right, I'm taking some more of those branches with the snow on it for some more texture. I just wanted to use the rest of those. Okay, and then once I have everything in place and it looks good to me, I'm gonna go in with my glue gun and make sure that I'm gluing everything down a lot, because what you don't want is to make this wreath or potentially sell it to someone and stuff starts falling off. So you want to make sure that you glue it really, really good. It's very, very important. Glue it in the front, glue it in the back, glue it wherever you need to glue it at. You just want to make sure that it's glued down. Last but not least, I'm taking these cute little LED lights that I got from the Dollar Tree that are battery operated, and I'm going to place those on the wreath as well. It gave it such a nice touch. There they are. So beautiful. So excited. All right, y'all, so this concludes the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make this beautiful, beautiful wreath. Let me give you all a close-up. Here we are. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. So let me know what you think. Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, tell me what you think. And of course, if you recreate this wreath, make sure you drop a picture in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Please, 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 please share this video. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Happy, happy holidays. Happy, happy holidays. And mwah.